Silence fives, a 10 is talking. I'm gonna tell you what you need to know up front, so pay attention. Yes, you can money with a faceless YouTube channel using only AI tools. Digital Income Project does, Stoic Journal does, hell, even I do on this small channel, and you people have the attention span of a gnat. Yes, that includes AI videos. Yes, that includes AI voices. And yes, the big YouTuber who told you that you can't had no idea what he was talking about, and is probably just a paid actor. The possibilities of making money with a faceless YouTube automation channel with AI are endless. While yes, you can do all those things, the important part is how you do them. I'll tell you how I did it, and exactly how you can too. My path to making money on YouTube was crooked as hell. It was filled with trials, errors, and valuable lessons that ultimately led me to where I am today. From writing on Medium to experimenting with different projects, I've gained a ton of skills and knowledge that have been crucial to my success with faceless YouTube channels. And for those of you with the 8-second attention spans running to the comments to judge what I make on this channel based on view counts, here's just one of the 5 ways I make money from one of my income streams. Sit back and relax while I share my story and reveal the exact steps I took to monetize my faceless YouTube channel using AI. You'll learn about the different monetization milestones on YouTube, the specific requirements you need to meet, and the strategies I use to maximize my earnings. And if you stick around until the end, I'll even share a game-changing automation strategy that will help you take your channel to the next level. The delivery, the discovery phases of my journey. I used to be just like you, sitting on YouTube, watching all the free content I could get my hands on, hoping a lightning bolt would hit me or something. Then I got off my ass and got motivated to take action. I started in 2017. I tried freelance work on Fiverr for a while, and while it sucked, I discovered that I could make money online. Then I was doing arbitrage on eBay, buying junk from Walmart and selling it online. I made a few $100s, but nothing substantial. I learned I was working too hard and needed to figure out how to work smarter. By 2020, I tried writing on Medium. That's when I learned a few things. I learned it was possible to make thousands of dollars online, and I learned that information published online could theoretically make you money online indefinitely. I had a single article make me $3,000, and I was hooked. But Medium wasn't my true passion. I was spending hours watching YouTube videos, so I decided to give YouTube a try in 2020. Some of you may have been in this make money online game long enough to remember Vidnami. For those that haven't been, Vidnami was among the first text-to-video AI software. I learned more about SEO, video editing, design, social media management, and so many other aspects as I experimented with Vidnami. As AI became the next big thing in tech, millions of people immediately jumped on the trend and found so many different ways to use this technology to make money online. For me, AI became incredibly useful in setting up a strategy to monetize videos on YouTube. A lot of people want to get on YouTube, but they don't want to show their faces. That was the case for me, and luckily AI became a great tool. With the release of many AI tools that can create images, animate them, and even offer text-to-speech solutions, making a faceless YouTube channel has become easier than ever before. However, it's not just about making videos and posting them. There are some things that you need to understand when it comes to using AI to create a faceless YouTube channel, especially if you're hoping to take advantage of YouTube monetization. To create a great faceless YouTube channel with the help of AI, you really should start by considering the niche you want to target. I really found a liking for creating content with AI, so that became my niche. There are many other channel ideas that you can explore, like history facts, DIY videos, health, news, and more. Use tools like Google Trends and BuzzSumo to help you find topics that are trending. This can be a great way to get an idea for a niche. Then you can use ChatGPT, Claude AI, or Google Gemini to come up with ideas for specific topics to cover, and the same AI tools can help you create the script. After you have the script, use AI tools like Midjourney and Leonardo to create images, 11 Labs to get a voiceover, and then put everything together with CapCut or Canva. Once I got a grip of everything, it became faster and easier to actually make these videos. I then started to do YouTube automation with AI. When it comes to actually making money from your faceless YouTube channel, it's important to understand a few things. You can't upload 2 or 3 videos and expect to see money going into your account. It takes some time to build up your YouTube channel. To take advantage of YouTube's monetization options, you'll need to meet certain criteria. First of all, there are 2 important milestones that you can achieve while working on your faceless YouTube channel. Each of these milestones gives you access to certain monetization features. Of course, the second milestone is the one you should be aiming for in the long run, but I'll be covering both. The first milestone happens when you reach a total of 500 subscribers on your channel, along with some other criteria that I'll cover in a moment. This threshold isn't going to allow you to get paid by YouTube's partner program. but it still gives you ways to start making money from the content you upload. You get access to channel memberships with this milestone. You can turn on this feature and then put some of the content you publish behind a membership. The membership essentially becomes a paywall. When people go from subscriber to member, they get access to this content, they pay for the membership, and that's how you make money. You can also turn on 3 super functions at this milestone. This includes super chats, super stickers, and super thanks. All 3 of these allow your fans to show their appreciation of your content by paying small fees to thank you or to use special stickers in a live chat. You also get access to the YouTube shopping feature, which allows you to promote your own products. Now, as I said, to reach this milestone, your channel needs at least 500 subscribers. Apart from these subscribers, your channel also needs to meet other criteria. This includes having uploaded at least 3 public videos in the last 3 months. If you're focusing on YouTube Shorts, you need 3 million views on your shorts within the last 3 months. On the other hand, if you rather upload regular YouTube videos, you'll reach the milestone if you get 3,000 watch hours on your content within a 1-year period. The next milestone is where the opportunity to make money with a faceless YouTube channel really comes into play. That's the milestone that gives you access to the YouTube Partner Program. The requirements are a bit higher compared to the first milestone. You need to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. For shorts, you need 10 million views in a 90-day period, or 4,000 public watch hours if you post regular videos on your YouTube channel. There are 2 types of ads that you can run with the YouTube Partner Program. These include watch page ads and shorts feed ads. When someone views your video and an ad plays on it, you also get access to the YouTube Premium program once you reach the second milestone. This basically allows people to buy a subscription to avoid having ads shown when they watch videos. If your videos are monetized and someone with YouTube Premium watches them, then you still get paid a fee. As you start to see profits on your account earnings page, you'll notice something called RPM. It's also known as revenue per mile, and is a way for YouTube to tell you how much they're paying you for ad views. The RPM you see on your account page is how much the platform pays for every 1,000 views. There are several things that can impact your RPM. The niche that you're targeting will play a major role, as advertisers in certain niches tend to pay more than others. Your audience also affects your RPM, such as their age, where they are viewing the videos from, what they are searching for, and how they interact with these ads. It's a good idea to experiment with different strategies to see how they affect your RPM. If you find that a specific strategy is giving you a boost in RPM, then you can start to focus more on using it in future videos that you upload to YouTube. The YouTube Partner Program is a great way to earn money from your faceless channel, but there are other ways to monetize your content as well. It can take quite a while to reach the second milestone on your faceless YouTube channel. The YouTube Partner Program isn't available in some countries. In these scenarios, turning to alternatives can be a great idea. You also don't need to limit your income options to YouTube's internal monetization tools. Many creators would combine the platform's monetization options with other earning opportunities. That's a way to maximize your earning potential. So what are the other monetization options? In my experience, affiliate marketing is particularly good when it comes to making the most out of the faceless videos you upload to YouTube. With affiliate marketing, you'll be promoting a product or service that someone else creates. You get paid when someone clicks on a special link you promote and decides to buy something. There are a lot of these programs out there, so it shouldn't be hard to find something that your audience will be interested in. As your channel grows, you'll be able to get access to analytics related to your audience. Use this information to learn more about the people who are actually watching your content. This can help you find ideas for products or services you could promote for affiliate marketing. While it all started out with strategies like selling on eBay, I really found my success on YouTube. With the YouTube monetization program, you can make money from AI videos, but you have to make sure your videos offer value. They need to attract watchers and be viral worthy. Once you meet one of the 2 milestones for YouTube monetization, then just a few clicks can help you start making money from your videos. Being consistent is incredibly important if you want to follow this kind of strategy, which is why YouTube automation is something you shouldn't overlook. To automate things, you should use ChatGPT or another chatbot to come up with topics for your videos, generate scripts, and then use AI tools to create your videos. With the help of these AI tools, you can quickly generate several videos in a few minutes. Once you have these videos saved on your hard drive, you can simply upload them to YouTube and schedule their publishing. This way, your YouTube channel is completely automated, and you simply need to spend a small amount of time once in a while generating scripts and converting them to videos with the AI tools that you prefer. It's a great way to be consistent on your YouTube channel, which is one of the most important elements that you should focus on when you want to take advantage of YouTube monetization. If you're ready to take your Faceless YouTube channel to the next level with AI-generated videos, you won't want to miss the video on your screen. I'll reveal the secret tool that allows you to create stunning videos without spending a dime. Click the card on your screen to discover how AI can revolutionize your content creation process. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community of savvy YouTube entrepreneurs.